You can wave it. Yeah, wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another Glam centerpiece to share with you all. Something that you can use for any event that you're holding. May it be a wedding, birthday function, any kind of special occasion that you are having. And this is everything that we'll be using for our DIY today. And everything will be listed down below in the description box. Yeah, so you can go over and check what I got and where I got them from. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you can press that subscribe button and then press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. Alright everyone, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. And we are going to start with painting these tower game the square things that I got from the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna use some white paint, and I will be painting them white going all around the whole sides and everything, and I'll be painting about 20 of the blocks I'll be using for this DIY. And now that our blocks are dry, I'll be putting some bling wrap, gold bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, and I'll be using some hot glue. And like I always tell you, you can use any adhesive that you would like to use for your project. So we're just gonna bling out the little blocks from side to side. We're not gonna do the back part. We'll leave that part blank, but we're doing the sides and everything else. And now we are going to use this clear cylinder, this clear vase, and we have our pieces all blinged out. I'm just going to use some hot glue, and I'll just put them in a pattern with the flat side facing the vase. That's why we left it blank with no bling wrap on that side, and just place them in a pattern going right around. I'm just going to freestyle it. If you want, you could use a measuring tape and measure the distance between, or a ruler and measure the distance between each block, but I think I did a very good, just by eyeballing it, I think I did a very good job. And now I'm just going to use some hot glue, and again, you could use any adhesive that you would like to use and glue the blocks going right around our vase. And now we're going to start a second row, which I'll going in between the rows that I laid down first. So the second row is going in between, like you see I'm doing here. And we're just going to keep doing that all the way up to the top. And now that our blocks are all done, I'm going to be using these cute little gems and placing them on the top of each block. And I forgot to show you guys right here in the center, I did leave a space. I didn't put any blocks on the second row. I left a big space open, as you can see. And you'll see why we did that a little later. Okay, now the gems are all done. The little stones going all around. Looks really nice. I'm going to add my favorite bling from Totally Dazzled. Yes. I'm going to add it to the opening I told you that I left open in the vase without putting some blocks. And I'll just be using some hot Gorilla Glue, to place on our gems. And now our gems are all on. I think it looks so lovely. So I'm just going to take some of these beads that you get from the Dollar Tree and put them inside our vase. And now I'm going to be adding some flowers into our vase. And here's our vase all done up, everyone. Doesn't it look super cute? I think it looks lovely. I like how it looks with the gems from Totally Dazzled and our gold bling wrap. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And it does make a nice statement piece here, all by itself. And you know, you can put it on your event table just like this also. Yes, you can. And here I have it with the beads inside, which is another nice look. This will look really cute on your table also.
I just need you back.
And here we go with the flowers inside. I love how it looks. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. A lovely centerpiece for your wedding, your reception, a birthday, an anniversary. It's a lovely piece of table decor for your special occasion.
Baby, don't worry, nobody's claiming me unless it's you now. I'll pick you up, I gotta see who knows. Baby, I know that me and you should be together.
And here I added some LED lights from the Dollar Tree, the battery operated ones, and it looks absolutely lovely with the lights out. Yes, this will look very nice on your event table for any occasion that you are having. Absolutely beautiful. And it also will look nice as just as a home decor piece too. Yes, a lovely decor piece for your home. I like how it looks with the lights out. I think it looks really, really pretty. And like I was saying, you could have it as a lovely statement piece for your home or on your event table just the way it is. Plain, with the beads, with the flowers, and with the lights on. It will make the hall look absolutely beautiful with all these centerpieces in your event. Yes, I should say at your event. Alright, everyone. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. And it's gold with a touch of silver and what do you call it? Pearls. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you all today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone.
When I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, you. you,